In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an Instagram story in Canva. We'll go step by step from opening Canva to choosing the right Instagram story size, customizing your design, adding animation and music, and finally downloading it in the best format to upload to Instagram. First, open Canva and go to the homepage. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram story. You'll see a suggested format called Instagram story with the correct dimensions, which is 1080 by 1920 pixels in a vertical layout. Click on that. This makes sure your design fits Instagram perfectly and doesn't get cut off when you post it. Now you'll see a new Canva workspace open with a blank vertical canvas on the right, and on the left you'll see a panel of templates. From here, you can do one of two things. You can pick a ready-made template, or you can start from a completely blank canvas. If you want to use a template, scroll through the options on the left and click on any design you like. Canva will instantly apply it to your canvas. Templates are great if you want a fast design and a balanced layout without starting from scratch. If you prefer full control, look for an option that says Create a blank Instagram story and click that to keep a clean, empty canvas. Next, customize your text. Click on any text that's already on the template and just start typing to replace it with your own words. You can change the font size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. If you're on a blank canvas, go to the left panel, click Text, and choose from a basic text style or a pre-made text combo. Drag it onto the canvas, then edit it just like regular text. Try to keep your text short and clear so it's easy to read on a phone screen. Now let's adjust colors. Click on any background or shape, and at the top, click the color square to choose a new color. You can pick from Canva's default palette or add your brand colors if you have them. Keep your color scheme simple and consistent. For example, use one main color and one accent color so your Instagram story looks clean and not too busy. From here, it's time to add images or videos. On the left side, click on Uploads to bring in your own photos or video clips from your device. Click Upload Files, select your media, and once it appears in your Uploads panel, just drag and drop it onto the canvas. If you want to use Canva's library instead, click on Photos or Videos on the left, search for a keyword, and drag any item directly into your design. You can resize by dragging the corners and reposition by clicking and dragging around the canvas. Next, make your story more interesting by adding elements. On the left, click Elements. Here you can find shapes, icons, stickers, illustrations, and more. Drag any element you like onto your design. You can adjust size, color, and position just like any other object. Use these elements to highlight text, create borders, or add simple visual interest without overcrowding the design. Now let's add animations. You can animate the whole page or individual elements. To animate the entire Instagram story page, click anywhere on the empty space of the canvas, then click Animate on the top toolbar. Choose a page animation you like, such as fade, pan, or rise. If you want to animate a specific element, such as a text box or image, click that element first, then click Animate and pick an animation. This is how you create movement that keeps your audience engaged. If your design has multiple pages, you can also adjust timing. Look for the timing control above the page, usually shown in seconds, and change how long each page appears. For Instagram stories, something around 3 to 5 seconds per page usually works well so viewers have time to read. Next, add music if you want a video-style Instagram story. At the left, click Audio. You can browse Canva's music library, or if available, upload your own track using the Uploads panel. Drag a song onto your design. At the bottom, you'll see the audio track bar where you can trim or adjust which part of the song plays. Keep the music calm and simple so it doesn't distract from your message. When you're happy with your Instagram story, it's time to download it. Go to the top right corner and click the Share or Download button. For animated stories or stories with video or music, choose MP4 video. This keeps all your animations and audio. For a static story with no movement, choose JPG or PNG. PNG usually gives you slightly sharper quality for graphics and text. Set the quality to high if that option is available, then click Download. Wait for Canva to prepare the file and save it to your device. Finally, open the Instagram app on your phone, go to your story, and upload the file you just downloaded. Adjust any Instagram stickers or text if you want, then post it. That's how to create an Instagram story in Canva. Search for Instagram story, pick a template or blank canvas, customize your text, colors, and media, add animations and music, download as MP4 for video or JPG or PNG for static, and then upload to Instagram.